Welcome to Chartbusters. I'm Nigel D'Souza and joining me is Mangala Malu. Well, as we speak, the markets will have given back some part of the good work that we put on yesterday. We are hovering around that crucial level of around 18,000 odd. So let's see whether or not we can hold on to that. But for the time being, though, we've pulled back quite a bit. The Nifty Bank, that's the one that's dragging yet again. It's been out of form for the last 3 trading sessions, and that could be the turning point. If in fact it could cut its losses, then we could see a bit of a bounce as we speak. But let's get in Shilpa Rout as well for a quick technical check. Hi, Shilpa. Morning. What's your view on the index? We're trading below that 18,000 odd mark. The data points that came in post-market yesterday were quite encouraging, actually, in terms of the put writing, the institutional activity as well. Your sense on the index first up?
Good morning, Nigel and Mangala. Like rightly said, yesterday data point was quite positive, and I'm hoping that today also we will see a reversal from current levels. Nifty should hold in futures 18,000 and we should see moving upwards towards 18,150 zones. Likewise, Bank Nifty also with a stop loss of 42,000, you should see targets of 42,600 to 800 also for the session very likely. So I'm very positive, of course, going ahead for the day.
All right, positive going ahead for the day, though we've recovered a tad from the lows of today's trading session as well. What's doing well right now, Shilpa, is the entire FMCG pack. HUL has moved to the high point of trade. We're seeing some gains come by on Nestle as well. Nestle too has moved to the high point of trade. That's from the frontline end. And from the broader markets, United Spirits has moved higher, as has Godrej Consumer. Do you have any picks in this sector, and what are your other stock picks?
Yes, exactly. I have a recommendation on Dabur for the day. If you look at Dabur has had a very strong resistance at around 550 zones, which it is now has crossed and is sustaining. So for me, with a stop loss of 548 from current zones, you should look for targets of 585 to 594 in Dabur. My another buy would be Balrampur Chini. If you see, Balrampur Chini also has a very specific range in between 380 to 420 to 415 zones. So for me, again, it is a buy with a stop loss of 380 for targets of 410 on immediate basis. And we've also recommended the same at Prabhudas Lilladher now via options. It is 400 call option trading at around 8.5 or 9 rupees, looking for targets of 16.
All right, Shilpa, thank you for joining in and giving us your views on individual stocks as well as the index, sounding more bullish on the index than bearish. Let's